Okay guys, in the previous video we used value return of a VLOOKUP function as the lookup value for another VLOOKUP function. So over here what we did is we looked up to this value, which was the value return of another VLOOKUP function which looked up to this cell, and we used this as lookup value to get the address over here. Now this might be called as intermediary step. So what if I want no intermediary step? To do that, what I will do is create here a heading which says no intermediary, and I will quickly format it using format painter. And over here what I will do is, you can see that this is the lookup function over here that is returning this value. So I will copy this, Control C, and what I will do over here is equal to VLOOKUP and I will paste the output of this lookup function as the cell I am going to look up to. So for example, if I will just first of all let me complete this and then I will explain this. Say 2 comma false. Okay, I had to select a range over here. So the range will be from the address sheet. It will be, I will go all the way to the top, and this Control Shift right, Control Shift down, enter. And now I will explain this. So what we did over here, actually this is same as this and will always be same, but the only difference is in this formula over here what we did is we looked up to cell F5, which was giving us the output of another VLOOKUP function. So what if this was acting as an intermediary, but what if I didn't wanted this to be displayed anywhere but use this to access some data, that is address 1. So what we do is we nest VLOOKUP function inside another VLOOKUP function. So we have now our nesting VLOOKUP function, just like we had nested if statements. And now without the need of displaying this NI number over anywhere on the Excel sheet, you can use it inside the formula and you can use it to look up to without displaying it on the sheet.